Alright.
Don't.
Let him go.
I let him go. He not flying. He just sitting in my hand.
Well, I just turn it down one day you can fly.
He gonna fly away.
Boy, tell him to move. If you tell him to move, he probably gonna move. If you tell him to move, he gonna move.
I know, Papa. I'm just let him sit here until he wanna fly.
It's,
Anybody know what this is? I don't think it's pox. I don't know what it is. You get a good close-up of his eye, Poppy?
Huh?
You see his face?
yep, it's all messed up. It's like bloody.
Okay.
Say go. Like, you need to say,
Put the camera over here, Poppy.
Oh.
Laying Lens is a lifestyle. Young bird. Sick bird.
yeah. But yeah, what is like over you want to say? You want me to say something?
Yeah. Not
All
right
right.
now. Hold on. The young bird don't want to go nowhere. He's just chilling. But I'm gonna let him stay around, hang around, and
See if you're gonna fly.
I'm gonna feed him. But I just don't want him to get the rest of my birds sick. So I'm gonna release him. He never flew before. He a young bird. He never flew before. I guess that's a checker. His daddy is a black cock,
What, that one?
and the mom is a blue bar. So this a blue bar and a blue bar and a black make a checker. He calm. He chilling.
Wait, his eye not well, one eye messed up right there, and his eye not messed up over the other side.
Yeah,
His
one eye good.
Oh, he just fly right there.
That's where he probably stay. He gonna fly right there and stay around.
Oh,
He not gonna.
probably pooped or something on his head.
This the dead one. We about to go bury him in.
His house still open on the other side.
We're gonna go bury him in the graveyard. All right. My cameraman. Thank you, cameraman.
I am not a cameraman.
This the graveyard over there. I gotta go get my shovel. Okay.
Put your blood on it. There's some blood on you, you know.
Yeah. Hold the camera right. Hold the camera. Taking these gloves off. And tossing these. All right, we going to fly some birds today. And we got 3 to fly. I think I'm gonna just fly these 3. We got Houdini baby, and the mama bird. Don't touch that. Wipe it on the grass. We got one more bird in here that I want to take out so I can fly 4 birds instead of 3. But I'm gonna let them fly. A little short toss.
Is that a rabbit? Oh yeah, that's a big rabbit. I said, what kind of rabbit is that?
That's the brownie.
Oh, we didn't have a brown bird. Oh, somebody bring it us a brown bird.
A brown rabbit?
Oh yeah, somebody bring it us that.
Yeah.
Why would you do blue? That I know on the brownie.
So they can play.
Oh, because they need a new friend.
Yeah.
One of the rabbits died.
Yep. See, he's trying to play with them.
Wait, is that even his daddy? You say cook?
Lens. Oh, Poppy want to say something. No, say something. I'm holding the camera.
Alright, this the end of the video. Y'all check his channel. We out. Peace.
Peace. What up, gang? We letting out 4 birds today. This is 2 pair. Y'all know the 1 pair, the white one with the black on the back, the mom bird, and then the dad is the all white, and then that's Houdini and Houdini mate. So we about 1.5 miles out. First time they flew since I got the new birds in. So we're gonna let them out and see who gonna be the first one home.
Yep.
They've been to this spot 1 time.
I shot the gun, didn't know what's going. Oh, one is going to get lost. He was going to get lost. I'm still shooting guns so they can fly still. But let me go and make it home. See, like, if they want to go, if, like, they going somewhere, then they gonna look on it, they gonna put their head down and look on their numbers.
We got 1 straggler. He's
Wait,
not.
the other one is pretty fast.
They coming back around. They trying to stay together. I don't think they're gonna stay together. 'Cause they What up, gang? Lens, we back. We got 2 of the birds Houdini. It's the first one that came back, and it's a white one. I can't tell if that's Houdini mate or another one. And it's the first time I'm gonna let these out. These the young birds. They ready to come out and fly. They was you know, I raised them, so this the only place they know. So they gonna come out and fly around. That's Houdini and Houdini mate came back first. The other 2, they a couple, but they seem like they breaking up. I think they getting a divorce because one of them has got beat up real bad. The mother bird, the hen got beat up real bad. So it seems like they breaking up. I really want to put them back together, but I don't know who, you know, somebody else getting chose. So we're gonna see about these. I open up this little door. They don't know how to come out. I think I'm gonna just grab them out of here. We got 2 young birds. This bird is a G though. This is one of Houdini babies. Kind of fast. Come here. This one of Houdini babies. She been flying around, so she know what to do. Now these the young birds. They never been out before. They never been out before. This one of the babies that I raised. This the other baby, all white. First time they been out the cage flying. They usually fly to the rooftop first. Those the new birds. They not allowed to come out and fly yet. That's the G's. They know what's up. Houdini. Houdini kids right there. I'm waiting on two birds to come home. It's gonna be hard getting them back in the cage because they not trained to get back in yet, but they gonna learn. So we're waiting on two birds to come back home. The all white one and the black and white one. That's the all white. They mama and daddy, waiting on their mama and daddy come home. So keep y'all posted. Lynn Lens, we out.